Listo, Naomi. Come on, girls, back up. Shot. Come on, Avery. There you go, Avery. Find a pass. Back. Back, Ava. Settle, settle. Find a clean pass. Find a clean pass. There you go, Ivana. It's all right, Donna. Stay in the play. Okay. Stay in the play. Come on, girls. Somebody run. Come on, Sophia. Good pick. Good pick. Watch his backside, girls. Watch the backside. Go, go, Sophia. Come on, Sophia. Get that ball out of there. No. Fine, Avery, good job. Man, this is a really show. Faster, Annalie. There you go. Get in the game there, Zoe. Get up there. Come on, Avery. Good job, Avery. Oh, Avery's having an MVP. Sorry, that practice that she's done this week?
Thursday's practice. Or Wednesday's practice. She was diving the ball Wednesday.
Let it bounce. Go.
I don't know where it's supposed to.
Listo, Naomi. Come on, girls, back up.
You guys are selling.
Shot. Come on, Avery. There you go, Avery. Find a pass. Back. Back, Ava.
I'm literally about to scream lock in because I'm like, I feel just scared the ball when it comes towards me.
Good block, Avery. Figure it out. Come on, push up. There you go, Avery. There you go, Avery. Fine. Find a pass. Good job, good job. Back. Come on, dirty Kendall. Avery, come on, dirty Kendall. Kendall, back up a little bit. Back up, Kendall. Get your bar up. Ready, baby. Come on.
Two more? They're probably going to put us in 6-7. That's what they usually put us in.
Man on behind. Go, Naomi. Go.
Didn't you want to cut her off?
Back, back, back. We hustle back.
I'm going to cut them off.
Let's go, Kendall. Good, Esperanza. Good.
No.
Good job, Avery. Back up. Back, Esperanza. Back.
Get the ball from him. Get out, Ivana. Get out, Ivana. Get out.
There you go.
It's 5 minutes.
That's a great pass, Ava. That's the way, Jay. Let's stay with it, ladies. Let's stay with it. Yeah, Bobby's going to drop back to the shoulder from this spot. And you're going to play it. You got middle. Go with it,
Get the ball. Get the ball.
Go with it. Marcy, take Manny's spot. Drop back. Stay on his ball. Push up there. Stay up in the Don't let him get shots off.
Why are we being so deep?
Good save. Good job, Avery. Back it up, back it up.
We're being so cute.
Nice, Dave. Good girl, Bailey. Next time, follow that attack.
Wait, now I'm actually kind of scared.
Jay got hurt? Oh.
She went down, but...
Oh, okay. Come on, girls. Keep playing. Let's go.
It's super annoying to Corey. Listen. We need a player to store him.
You ready, Jay? You ready, Jay? Haley, you ready to go back in yet? Good, 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 good. Stay in front, stay in front, stay in front. Stay in front of him. Sure. There you go, Sophia. Stay in front. Good. Stay. That's the way. Let's go. Ah, that's good hustle, Jay. Let's go. Danny, not too deep. We're going against the wind.
Why are we going against the wind?
That's how we create opportunities, Jay.
You're the first one to it.
Watch that backside, Tatum. Good job, Avery. Good shot, Jay. Let's go. Girls, huddle up. Huddle up at the 30. Cookie. Come on, Cookie.
Go, Cookie, go, Cookie, go!
Go. Cookie, take the kick. Take the kick, Cookie.
Come on, Cookie! Cookie, back in!
Hurry. Wait, Cookie. Go. Ask me that because you can shoot it. Power kick, Cook.
Come on, Cookie!
Hold on. Go. There it is. Good try, girls. Good try. That's right, Cookie. Good try. Good try, girls. 4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes. Thank you, Jay. Follow it! Follow it!
You don't know how to do that!
Do not stop! Ever!
She missed the ball. She missed the ball and then she got it.
Kinsey, get the ball. Kinsey. Oh my God.
I want to get
Go,
that.
Cookie. Come on, girl.
Stay with it! Stay with it! Follow, Donna, follow!
Good job, Avery.
Go,
Come on, defense,
Get
push
ready for
up.
the next play! Go back close! Let's go!
What's the bounce?
Keep going over you, Esperanza! Go.
Let my eagle go high.
Sophia. Vasquez, come here. I'm sorry. Right now, girls. I'm sorry. Right now, girls. Pressure! There you go. Get in the game there, George. Get up there. Come on, Avery. Good job, Avery. You have practice that she's done this week?
I live on Mercedes.
Avery! Slow it down, Avery. Slow it down. Girls, forward, back up.
Go find it!
Go, Alice.
It's good. It's about so bad. Oh my God!
Good job, Avery.
Let's go, Melanie! Back